welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some way. So by the end of this video, you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head, and you gotta keep up with your BFFs. So just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl uploads a new video, because you don't want to miss that. And yeah, just go ahead and do it. Thanks. So today's video is super exciting because this is my first unboxing and this is my first black owned luxury item. So I am super excited. So I am unboxing my Telfar, I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but I think that's right, Telfar bag. I'm super excited. These are so like hard to get a hold of, so yeah. So if you're interested in seeing which bag I purchased and the process and the details about that, then keep watching this video. So first, really quick, I'm just going to talk about how I even found out about this brand, because I knew nothing about it. So one of the content creators that I follow on Instagram, he does a lot of creative reels and things like that. I always noticed that he had this bag. He has like a lot of these bags in different colors. So I've like finally clicked the tag and I was like, okay. And I, was looking around on the site, and then I noticed that, everything was pretty much sold out. So I signed up for the email notification for when they restocked bags. So I was trying to get like different colors, but I would either wake up too late to order, everything be sold out, or I would forget. So I just was like, I just was not, it wasn't happening. So they ended up having this bag security program, which meant that you can order however many bags you want, different sizes, colors, all of that. So they did this around, I think it was around either March or April, because I ordered this for like a birthday present to myself. So I think it was around that time frame. My birthday's in April, if you didn't know, April 24th. I ended up ordering this bag here for my birthday, and I just got it yesterday. Mind you, yesterday was August the 25th, I think. August the 25th. So I ordered this bag back in March and I just got it yesterday. So I've been having to wait and be patient, but it's definitely worth the wait. So okay, I just wanted to let y'all know like how I even found out about this brand. Let's get to the unboxing. Here it is. I feel like I should have some kind of music playing. I also want to add that when I found out that this brand was black owned, that really made me want to order even more. Not just because it's a luxury brand, but also because it was black owned, and I have really been trying to make a conscious effort to support more black owned brands when I can. So whenever I have some extra money and I want to do a little shopping, I always really try to go to different black owned businesses that I see on Instagram or that I know personally, and patronize those businesses before I hop on my other apps, like my Shein app or something like that. Before I hop on over there, I like to check out, some black owned businesses and stuff and support them as well. So that's something that I've really been making an effort to do, and I'm super excited because being this is like a luxury brand, and the fact that it's black owned, like I'm super geeked about that. So yeah, I just wanted to add that little bit at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I'm excited to tote this bag. You guys will definitely be seeing on my Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media networks. All that be down below in the description box. And don't forget to shop my store, 107thenlux.com. This jumpsuit is actually from my store. You can head over to my Instagram and you can see more pictures of this on my personal Instagram as well as my business one. So yep, so if you want it, you can go over there and get it, girl. It's super cute and stretchy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.